Hello everyone, welcome to Sanem Tutor. Students, this is day number 1 of your class 9 mathematics question bank solution series for St. Joseph Girls High School, Cuttack. If you are preparing for your annual exam 2025, you are in the right place. So take pen and paper and start with me. All the questions are most expected question. First question. And the first chapter, that is rational number and the irrational number. Total we solve 20 chapter. First question 1. 2 root 27 means we can write root 27 as 3 root 3. How? No, because 27 root we can write 3 into 3 into 3 root. We know that root means from 2 we write 1, that is 3, then root 3. Okay. Now plus 3 we can write 2 root 3 because 12 we can write 2 into 2 into 3, that is 2 root 3. Okay, divided by 4 root 3. Now solve 6 root 3, 6 root 3, that is 12 root 3 divided by 4 root 3. Root 3 cancel, 4 3 ja, so answer is 3. Okay, now next question. The lowest rationalizing factor of 24, okay, root 24. So how to solve? Now first 24 we can solve 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Okay, now from 2 write 1, that is 2, and the remaining we write it root, that is 2 root 6. Now the lowest rationalized factor is root 6. Option number IV is the correct answer. Okay, now next question. Question number 3. If x equal to root 2 minus 1, then x minus 1 by x to the power 2, that is square, equal to dash. Okay, so first we find 1 by x. What is 1 by x? Now 1 divided by root 2 minus 1. If you rationalize, means the denominator becomes 2 square, sorry, root 2 square, that is 2 minus 1 and root 2 plus 1. Now root 2 plus 1, 1 by x is root 2 plus 1. Now write down root 2 minus 1 minus root 2 minus 1, because when minus then it will be sign change, the whole square. So root 2 cancel, minus 1, that is minus 2 square equal to 4. Option number 3. All of you understand? Now next question. Question number 4. Root 5 minus root 3 square is dash. Okay, a minus b whole square, formula is a square plus b square minus 2ab. A square means only 5 because root 5 square is only 5, plus b square, that is 3, minus 2ab, 2 into a into b. So 8 minus 2 root 15. Option number IV. Okay, next evaluate. Okay, how to solve? The first write down 1 by, we can write 3 minus root 8 into 3 plus root 8, because when we rationalize we multiply the rationalizing factor into 3 plus root 8. Again 1 divided by root 8 minus root 7 whole into root 8 plus root 7. Again multiply with the numerator, root 8 plus root 7 plus root 7 plus root 6 divided by root 7 minus root 6 bracket root 7 plus root 6 minus root 6 plus root 5 divided by root 6 minus root 5 bracket root 6 plus root 5. Yes or no? Again root 5 plus 2 divided by root 5 minus 2 root 5 plus 2. All of you clear? First step. Now the second step, direct put the formula. The denominator becomes a square minus b square a square means 3 square, that is 9, b square, that is 8, because root 8 square, that is only 8, 3 plus root 8 minus root 8 plus root 7 by 8 minus 7 plus root 7 plus root 6 divided by 7 minus 6 minus root 6 plus root 5 divided by 5 minus 4, because 2 square is 4, plus 6 minus 5, then root 5 plus 2 divided by 5 minus 4. Okay, now 3 plus root 8 minus root 8 minus root 7, minus means multiply both number, yes or no, plus root 7 plus root 6 minus root 6 minus root 5 plus root 5 plus 2, and the denominator all are 1, because 9 minus 8 1, 8 minus 7 1, 7 minus 6 1. Okay, now cancel, plus 8 root 8 minus root 8 cancel, it also cancel, root minus root 6 and plus root 6 cancel, 3 plus 2 equal to 5. Okay, next question. Rationalize the denominator. Okay, this is important question, how to solve. Now first we write root 3 plus root 2 take as a, minus means we multiply plus, that is root 3 plus root 2 plus 1. Okay, now multiply numerator, that is root 3 plus root 2 plus 1. Okay, so put the formula, that is a square and b square. This is a and b, so a square means root 3 plus root 2 square minus 1 square. Now root 3 plus root 2 plus 1. Again a square, that is 3, b square, that is 2, plus 2ab plus 2 root 6, 3 2 is 6, minus 1, here is root 3 plus root 2 plus 1. Now 3 to 5 minus 1, that is 4, so 4 plus 2 root 6, now the numerator is root 3 plus root 2 plus 1. Again rationalize, so so we multiply root 3 plus root 2 plus 1 divided by 4 plus 2 root 6 whole into 4 minus 2 root 6, yes or no. So put the formula, that is a square, that is 16 minus b square, so 2 square is 4 into 6, 4 into 6 is 24. Now here is root 3 plus root 2 plus 1, multiply 4 minus 2 root 6, so 4 minus 2 root 6. Okay, now multiply 4 into something, that is 4 into root 3 plus root 2 plus 1, again minus 2 root 6 into root 3 plus root 2 plus 1 divided by 16 minus 24, that is minus 8. Now multiply 4 root 3 plus 4 root 2 plus 4 minus 2 18, okay, minus 2 12 minus 2 root 6 divided by minus 8. Now 4 root 3 plus 4 root 2 plus 4 minus 18, we can write 9 into 2 root, that is 3 root 2 Yes or no? 3 here is 2, that is 6 root 2. Any doubt? Minus 12 we can write 4 into 3, that is 2 root 3. So 2 here is 2, that is 4 root 3 minus 2 root 6 divided by minus 8. Now we can write 4 root 3 and minus 4 root 3 cancel, and the remaining is 4 root 2 and minus 6 root 2, that is minus 2 root 2. Okay, now minus 2 root 6 and plus 4 by minus 8. Minus goes to the numerator, means it is plus, that is 2 root 2 plus 2 root 6 minus 4 by 8, means divided by 8 divided by 8 divided by 8. Okay, or 2 common, sorry, take 2 common, that is root 2 plus root 6 minus 2 divided by 8, so cancel 4. So answer is root 6 plus root 2 minus 2 divided by 4. All of you understand? Now next question. X is given, so write down x equal to 2 plus root 5 by 2 minus root 5. Rationalize, so 2 plus root 5, then here is 2 plus root 5. Now solve. A square minus b square, that is 4 minus 5. Here is a square, sorry, 2 plus root 5 whole square. Whole square means a square plus b square plus 2ab, that is 4 plus 5 plus 2ab, that is 4 root 5. Okay, so 5 plus 4 9 plus 4 root 5 divided by minus 1. Okay, now so answer is minus 9 minus, sorry, same. Now we can write y equal to 2 minus root 5 by 2 plus root 5. If we rationalize, means multiply 2 minus root 5, same multiply means square. So put the formula, that is a square plus b square minus 2ab, that is 4 root 5 divided by a square minus b square, 4 minus 5, same, that is 9 minus 4 root 5 by minus 1. Now write down x square minus y square, means 9 plus 4 root 5 by minus 1 whole square minus 9 minus 4 root 5 by minus 1 whole square. Whole square means we can write minus 1 square is plus, that is only 9 plus 4 root 5 whole square minus 9 minus 4 root 5 whole square. Okay, a plus b whole square, the formula is a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square, the formula is 4ab. Okay, so write 4, a is 9 plus 4 root 5, 9 minus 4 root 5 equal to 4. Again put the formula a square minus b square, that is 9 square minus 4 root 5 square, sorry, a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square is 4ab. Okay, 4 into a into b. Okay, so 16 9 ja, that is 144 root 5. Okay, next question. Find the value of a and b in the following. So first write down 3 by root 3 minus root 2 multiply root 3 plus root 2 multiply with numerator root 3 plus root 2 equal to a root 3 minus b root 2. Now a square, that is 3, minus b square, that is 2. Then here is 3 root 3 plus 3 root 2 equal to a root 3 minus b root 2. Now 3 minus 2 is 1. Then we can write 3 root 3 plus 3 root 2 equal to a root 3 minus b root 2. Now we can write a root 3 equal to 3 root 3. So root 3 cancel, a equal to 3. Similarly, 3 root 2 equal to minus b root 2. Root 2 cancel, b equal to minus 3. Okay. The same question number. Okay. 5 and 9 number same question. You can solve by taking LHS, then you get answer 5. Okay. Now next question number 10 and the last number. X equal to 5 minus 2 root 6. Then we solve x square plus 1 by x square. Okay. So first we solve 1 by x. 1 by x means we can write 1 by 5 minus 2 root 6. Now rationalize, that is 5 minus 2 root 6 multiply with 5 plus 2 root 6. Now 5 plus 2 root 6. So 5 plus 2 root 6 divided by 5 square is 25 minus 24, because 2 square is 4 into 6, 6 4 is 24, equal to 5 plus 2 root 6 divided by 1 or 5 plus 2 root 6. Now write down x square plus 1 by x square. So x square means 5 minus 2 root 6 whole square plus 5 plus 2 root 6 whole square. So directly you can put the formula, that is a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square equal to 2a square plus b square. So directly you can put the formula, that is 2 whole into a square means 5 square plus b square, that is 2 root 6 whole square. So 2 into 25 plus 24. 2 into 49, that is 98. Answer. All of you clear? If you like the session, then you can subscribe my channel, Sanem Tutor. All the best for your annual exam. Thank you so much.